Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and watching the video. Today I am going to be doing my new under eye routine. Plus I'm just going to show you what I've been doing to my eyebrows because I've been trying out new products. This isn't my go-to eyebrow routine, but something that I've recently tried. So I'll show you what I've been doing there. But this is my new under eye routine, which I absolutely love. This is the Eye Duty Triple Remedy, and it is by First Aid Beauty, and it comes out in a peach color. And the reason why I love this is because not only does it color correct, but with the metal tip applicator, it'll help smooth out any puffiness and any wrinkles that you might have. It kind of smooths everything and makes everything look super duper nice. And on days where I don't do a lot of makeup, sometimes this is all I'll use underneath my eyes, and I won't even use concealer. So after I do that, I go ahead and pat that in with my ring finger. Because you can't smooth everything in with the metal applicator. I just go in with that first, then I go in with my finger, and then as you'll see, I'm using my beauty blender to as the final step to get that in, and it's super easy. And I just love the way that feels. I love the way it makes my under eyes look. I apologize for the lighting. I'm filming backwards. This is the Tarte Maracujá Creaseless Concealer, and I am currently in the color Light Medium Sand. And as you can see, you just need a tiny bit and rub it in between those fingers to get it nice and soft, because it is a thick consistency. And as you can see, I just used that little bit and I split it in between both eyes. A little bit of this concealer goes an absolute long way. So I first patted it in with my ring finger to kind of get it warm and work it in. And then finally, I just use my beauty blender just to work that in. And I don't know what I would do without my beauty blender. I absolutely love my beauty blender, especially to make things look nice and smooth. So, and that's really my new under eye routine. It is super duper simple, and it looks great. Oh, actually, there's one more step, which I use the Rimmel, the Stay Matte, and it's the long-lasting press powder. And what I do is I go in with my nail and I just scrape up some of that. And I don't set my whole under eye. What I do is I go right underneath my lash line, and I just pick some up of that powder with my beauty blender, and I put it right underneath the lash line. And that takes, I have a crease on each side underneath there, and that will just go ahead and fill that in, and it looks really amazing. So that is my new under eye routine. I would love to hear if you've tried the eye remedy, the Eye Duty Triple Remedy from First Aid Beauty. It's awesome. Let me know what you think. All right, so for the brows, the thing that I've been kind of experimenting with is this new product. It's new to me. It's by Benefit, and it's the Brow. I've really never used anything like this. This is in the color 5, and it's a little bit too dark. I actually use the number 3 in the Benefit eyebrow products, but this was a gift, so it's a little pomade, and it comes with a little brush, all in one. So it's actually really nice. It fills in your eyebrows super nice. Like, my eyebrows are shaped really nice, but I do have some sparse areas. So this is nice to really just fill in those eyebrows if you want them to look like super perfected and super dark. So it is a nice product, and it doesn't smear or smudge or anything like that. So my left eyebrow is pretty easy. It's more shapely than the other one, so I have to do less to that. So Then the next product I'm going to use is my go-to product, which is I love. It's the Benefit Gimme Brow, and this is in my shade, and it's in the shade 3. And I absolutely love this product. And I just kind of finished off my brows because you can just kind of comb this product and it makes your brows just a little bit stiffer so they don't move around, and it's got some fibers in it and it does have color. So if you don't want to put anything else, you can actually just use the Give Me Brow in your eyebrows. And a lot of times when I'm just doing a quick brow, or I'll just use my Gimme Brow, which I do that a lot. Or sometimes I'll even use the pencil, the Precisely My Brow in shade 3, which is also super nice. But if you're just looking for something really quick and something to help those brows stay in place, I would recommend the Gimme Brow. And that's all. Thanks, guys.